coffee. It's cold out, so coffee's necessary today. I don't usually drink coffee, but well, I mean, I used to a lot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lorraine and this is Lorraine June Projects. Today we're going to be working on the table in my pop-up camper. It currently has a cover on it that's a peel and stick, but it's super cheap. I just got it at Fred Meyer, just like picked it up one day because I was like, I just want something to cover it, but I don't love the look. So I'm going to be taking that off. I'm going to be sanding it down, cleaning the surface. If you want a more in-detailed look into how to use DC Fix peel and stick to cover countertops or tables, whatever you're going to be using it for, I have a video and I'll link it above. But today we're just going to be redoing the table. It's going to be hopefully a simple, quick project. I'm just going to make the legs look nice and cover the top to make it look butcher's block. Hopefully it won't be too matchy-matchy, but we don't usually keep the table inside anyway. We always pop it outside when we are camping because it's just a really small space, so we don't want to have too much stuff in it. But we use that. I beat this table up, so this stuff has worked pretty well for how cheap it was. Yeah, so we keep it outside. I cook on it. We put all of our stuff on it when we're gone. It's just like a really nice handy table to have, and it fits really well on a pop-up because it was meant for it. So I'm excited for this. If you're looking for more videos on DIY, kind of like on a dime DIY, just like cheaper projects you can do yourself in your pop-up camper or trailer, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and hit subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me because it helps. Any interaction helps my content. So, and also comment down below if you have any questions or if you like this video and projects like it. And hopefully you enjoy this DIY project. So this is what I'm going to be using today. The exact same DC Fixed peel and stick butcher's block that I use on my countertops. Alcohol wipes, sander. This is the stuff for the DC Fixed. Just like helps to smooth it out, and this is a little knife to cut the DC Fixed. And then just some spray paint. And today I'm going to be using the paint and primer in one. Any surface including metal because I'm going to be using it on the legs. So now that I have got it all sanded and cleaned up, I'm going to spray paint first, and I'm going to spray paint it with it standing up like this because I don't want any spray paint on the bottom, just in case it like comes off on the floor, so I'd rather not let that happen. So I'm going to spray paint it standing upright, just like that. Once I'm done spray painting, I might do 2 coats and then cover the top. See how this turns out. Alright guys, so that wraps up my video. Just a summary, I put 2 coats of spray paint on the legs and wrapped the top, and I think it looks so good. It turned out really great. The wrap was pretty temperamental outside because it's kind of cold out, so I recommend doing it inside, and when it's a little bit warmer, it's kind of just an easier way to do it. I use the heat gun a lot. So thanks so much for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below with any questions, or if you just like my video, comment down below because it helps. Like always, I'll see you guys next Tuesday at 10 a.m. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good week. Ooh, God. a more detailed look into how I put 2 coats of spray paint on the legs and covered the top.